Every day, about 25,000 trees are cut down around the world. Much of this is for the production of paper. We're printing, painting and writing on paper, and we get receipts in cafes and shops. As technology progresses, there's often no need to print. But there are still situations when printing is required. The idea: if we really can't avoid printing, we can try to compensate for the harm we're doing to nature, in real-time mode. The concept: the application Green Printer by Greenpeace. You download the application and install it directly on your computer. The app then has access to your printer and credit card. Whenever you print a page, you give 1 cent to Greenpeace's tree planting program. Green Printer can work in cafes, shops and even ATMs. When we pay by credit card, we can then choose to print a receipt or not to. If we need to print a receipt, Green Printer will then donate 1 cent to the fund. If we take something from nature, we should give something back. It's only fair. Donate when you print.